Hello, everyone. This is Jazzy again, and you're watching your own YouTube channel, The Hedgers. Hope you all are having an amazing day. Let's have some disclaimer, and I'll be setting up some before we start. Okay, today I'm gonna discuss about some live trading setups based on our strategy, and yes, just give me a bit of time, please. Okay, so this has been played out on Friday. I'll show you in just a moment. Have a look at this. Understand these things that the price above the midnight and the New York session opening at 8:30, a classic sale setup, and that's the discounted long setup. Okay, so first you need to understand this why I put this on, and I will give you with an example of each of this setup today. Okay, Alice setup has been given into our Discord group and it's been playing out really very well. You can see here in our you can see in our premium section. I already have given this setup and it's already been playing out right now. Our entry has been triggered and pretty nice target that we are all are looking for, right? Okay. Next, I'll be talking about some um, bank nifty and nifty. Let's talk about the nifty, right? Okay. Yes, nifty. Really nice. I'll be analyzing today nifty for my Indian friends and family members who's talking about that I'm not doing the Indian stocks, so I'll be doing it today. Okay, Nifty, and we'll be doing some Euro USDT. Sorry, Euro USD, not USDT. The trades in our minds. Okay, so the setup has been invalidated because it's breaking out. The long setup is still valid if it comes down, but I'm not thinking it will come down right now. It will take some time. Meanwhile, mhm, there is a daily imbalance here. So high chance is that price is going for taking this imbalance. Okay, this is really effective imbalance because it's based on daily time frame. So yes, matters a lot. I have some confluences in this area, but I'm not gonna give you that confluences right now because this is for our premium members only. If you want to become our premium member, it's one-time fees for the lifetime access, and you can get all of those chunks and privileges in our group if you join us. All the learning materials, all the confluences, but right now it's just enough for you that we're having a daily imbalance right above the equal highs that price is retesting at the moment. So it's highly possible that we deviate around this 1.065 and we'll see there if we have some good rejection based on the sign of weakness, then we can trade this either. Okay, so I talk about the Euro USD, uh, DXY, because both of them, the Euro USD and the dollar index, is inverse of each other. So whenever Euro is breaking out, the dollar is weakening. So as usual, the dollar is going down from the key levels, and it's really bad right now. Hmm. Let's do this all again. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Really nice bounce, and it took everything back. And if you ask me what was that, so 200 moving average MA. If I can just 200 SM, yeah, here we go. We just retested this 200 moving average bounce, and then we rejected and retested as a bearish retest of this moving average, 200 daily moving average, which is really bearish for me. That it's a clear breakout strategy that has been proved that dollar has been breaking its bullish trend, and now it's looking for more downside. Okay, so if that's the case, then Euro USD will be also going to look for higher targets. Okay, um, I'll be doing the targets on this dollar index today also. Let's do it quickly here, if you all can understand. Like, this is our first support zone here locally. Then here we go. The next one. Uh, yes. First and second. If we bounce up here, then it is really you know it will be a nice bounce if we bounce from here. So I'll be looking for to retest the weekly level here, if this gives some good bounce of this support zone. Obviously, I'm not a astrologer, or I don't have the magic ball, so it's all based on experience. It's all based on speculation, and it's all based on the charts. The support and resistance strategy, and the sign of strength and weaknesses based on the buyers and sellers. So if you are looking for a long in euro, you have to watch these levels to break down, then your long is safe. Else you are longing the value area high of an asset. So be careful, because buying at the highs is not always good. So I think you have to prepare for a short scalp or swing in euro, if we having some good sign of strength on the support zones. Okay, and if that's the case, then I think stocks and traditional market will go for a little correction after taking the highs. Okay, so that's the quick update about the dollar. Okay, I told you that is a clear breakout of this 200 daily moving average, and which is really nice, retested as a bearish retest, and it's going down. So further now we are looking for the supports. Either we are going to get some nice bounce from here, or at the downside. But clearly it has break the market structure for now, after printing a bull flag type of structure, trapping the retailers, and it just take them all to the downside. Okay, now mm, mm, from this swing high to this swing, oh sorry, swing low to swing high, I'm just trying to look the Fibonacci levels. Okay, yep, yeah, there is some confluences there. Okay, so let's see where is the minus 101 extension. Hmm, here we go. So I'm gonna mark this as well. Okay, this sound, yeah, pretty nice. So both of our zones that we marked is being approved by the Fibonacci theory. Okay, so now gets back to the Bitcoin analysis. It's really interesting today. I'm so excited about this strategy to tell you. Um, injurious to health, so be careful. My bad habits. Hmm. Okay, so if you've seen this here, uh, it played out exactly open on buy day on the discount on Friday. Okay, I'm not counting the I'm not counting the Saturday Sunday price action because it's not my baby. You know, Saturday Sunday weekends, as usual, the CME traders sessions not here. Okay, because of the holidays. So okay, so Asia range high Friday, Asia range low Friday, midnight open Friday US. Okay, New York session open 8:30. Okay, this is everything. Really simple, no rocket science. You can mark all of these things by your own if you having some basic knowledge how to mark the sessions, the starting points, the highs and lows of the particular sessions if you know how to mark them. Asia always, Asia open or Asia close, New York open, New York close, midnight open of the New York is really important in my strategy. Okay, so price goes down into this discounted area after New York opens, taking the midnight open and the range low of Asia. Okay, then our target is the New York open along with the Asia range high. That has been triggered really well. And if you can see, the gains are almost 1.13%. That is the above the deviation of the price action is the it's the bonus uh, for your for your position, but I close it at the Asia high after taking it. Okay, this is what it means. Whenever price goes below on open day, it's a discounted price for you that it will go above the 8:30. Okay, and it's happened already. Now it is a classic buy day and a classic sell day. You can see right now the 8:30. Uh, sorry, I just messed it up. Like here. Yeah, perfect. The midnight open is above the 8:30, and there is some price action above it. That is our short entry, but we missed it because I was sleeping at that time. So now, what I am looking for a short classic sell day for a short, I am looking for the bounce at this point, taking the 5 minute imbalance above the 8:30 and taking the midnight open as well if possible, else not a big deal. The deviation above this midnight sorry, New York opening, I'll be taking a scalp shot from here till downside. Okay, maybe more we can see downside here, but let's see. But right now it seems that it's uh, not in a mood after taking the Asia range low. So it's already been played out. But I'll be waiting because I cannot jump on the gun right now in this red candle because it's not the how things play out. Okay, it's really bad if you are taking the trade, jumping on the gun on some red candles, like FOMOing on your trade, like if you fear of missing out. That's not how it goes. Okay, it's really bad and you can get squeezed out or stopped out on your trade. Like you see there's some kind of bouncing in this trade from the 5 minute imbalance. So I'll be patient and waiting. Meanwhile, what we are going to do, we are going to watch the uh, open interest uh, and the order flows. Okay, on 15-minute time frame, let's switch back to 5 minutes. Okay, so open interest is going down. CBD is also going down. Net longs closing. Okay, good. This is pretty bearish because whenever price goes down, open interest goes down, CBD goes down, net shorts increasing. That's moderately bearish. So hmm, late shorting always get punished. So that's why I believe there will be a bounce soon to our entry point. Then we can short it. At this. Mm-hmm. So this on 20 ticks. Look at this. Some uh, longs are coming in here. We are below the Viva, which is really concerning. kind of, you know, weakening trend. Big players are not buying here because we are below the view up. CVD is really bearish, going down along with the price action. Down, 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 both. Yeah. Net shorts increasing. Okay, let's see here. $17,000 TPOC here, so possibly some support here. Imbalance, 30-minute imbalance here. Okay, and TPOC, some volume here. Yeah, nice traded volume here. We're gonna see here if this give bounce from $17,000 on our chart. That is almost the Asia range high. So, yeah, let's see. Really nice. Okay, we just posted this already in our group in Discord. If you can see here, we already have posted the idea of the breakout of this symmetry, and we are mentally prepared for this already. So now let's see if this plays out as going down to this 16,000 region. I'll give you the, like, yeah, you see 16,945. We have some single prints here and the imbalance in this zone, so it's possibly a fake out. So let's watch the price action. Okay. In the US session, we are very nice. If this is a fake out, and if we go back into this pennant and just go more downside, then this is our target area. Okay, as always, because we it's not our style to trade the breakouts. We don't trade breakouts like uh, Moon Core or Crypto and these kind of degenerate splits. So we always look for the after the breakout, always trade. So if you have taken this trade along with me, I missed, but if you already took that trade, it's almost Yeah, 2% to the downside. Mhm. Coming. So they are coming. They are coming. Being patient is really the name of the game, in trading. Being patient is really the only thing you can do to make money. If you are just impatient and fearing of missing out of your trades, because market gives you infinite opportunities to play in this market. But if you are just panicking and jumping on the gun, seriously, you are going to get wrecked easily. You're gonna get stopped out. You're gonna give everything to the market if you have win something. So don't trade like this. It's really bad idea. Exactly same happened here. We saw the price going massively downside below the Asia range low on Friday, and it just buckle up and rebounds from there. I'm also expecting the same thing here, but let's see if we break the key level, then I don't think so. It's gonna rebound to our entry. There is always the validation and invalidation for a setup, you know. So if you missed, you missed. You don't need to jump again. Okay, like I was looking for this setup on the US opening. When US opens, it just selling pressure coming in at that time. So this is the classic sale day. As per the midnight open is above us, and there is Asia range high, not even retested and not even swept. So you can say we can make a double top like this, possibly, but let's see. It's all its speculation. If we have a really nice fundamentals, bearish news, high selling pressure, then high chances we just go downside. Okay, until and unless it goes above the area of my 17,100, I'm not gonna long it. Yeah, if it goes above the 30 minutes candle, then I'll be looking for upside. Okay, just like this to our entry point. Ali's still holding. dollar huh, yeah, dollar is not good. Really technicals, it's all technicals. uh let's see, 30-minute imbalance 618, retesting from the internal swing high to internal swing low. Okay. Mhm. Next area will be here if this breaks down invalidation point. Validation point. Okay, this is our invalidation point along with fair value gap. Oh no. Yep. Here we go. This 30-minute imbalance here. Imbalance. Bottom. Okay. So now this is our invalidation point. Pretty nice, pretty quick. If price comes down in DXY and like this, and if bounce, then it's a good uh, setup for retesting it again. I might just pump up to retest this area. Okay, if not, if it goes down an invalidation point, like breaking below the invalidation point, then high chances we are going more downside today. Okay, so that's in the DXY, because whenever dollar index is pumping, whenever it pumps, there are high chances that traditional market will correct, will go down, and along with the crypto market, because crypto market follows the traditional market as well. So this is really correlated with each other. You know, there is a harmonic here, bullish harmonic. If you guys know how to trade harmonics, mm, more targets, yeah, possible. Mm, possibly more targets here. 7-0, yeah. Can just take it like this. Let's see. Okay. Mhm. Okay, it's coming into our area of interest. This is the invalidation point. Okay. If we just break this area of interest, then no, no way for longs. No, no room for longs. It will be straight going down, more downside, like possibly filling this imbalance here on TPO. Okay, this imbalance, the single prints here. So possibly we are going to fill this imbalance uh, all the way to 16,500 or 16,600 probably. So this is the area of interest that I am right now. I am not bullish, but I am looking for our entry point. Okay, what I'm trying to say, the ultimate target for a scalp uh, is here. Okay, I'm not going to take my scalp trades too long to 16,500 or below because that's not my style, and I really hate to hold a swing trade in this uncertain market right now. Okay, the exchanges are playing dirty games. They can squeeze you up till your entry, and you can just lose your winning position into a loss, minor loss or big loss, or might you get just stopped out in trading stop loss. So better just to take what the market is giving you immediately. Don't be greedy, man, in this market. Okay. So what I am looking is rebounding here, taking our entry point, and then going back down to our exit point. And if you want to make more money, like if you don't want to lose this trade, you can just take partial profit, 50%, take the stop loss at entry point. Okay, and you can let the position run on its own. Either it is gonna stop out, or either it is gonna make you bonus profit. Okay, so this is the best strategy if you want to ride it more to the downside. But if it comes to entry, the best thing is to just take it here. Okay, just trying to wait for the sign of strength, then we will be confirmed and well informed that this is truly going to our entry point. Okay, or maybe not. Mhm. A lot of traders are shorting the lows. Late shorts always punished in this market, so I'm not surprised if they got squeezed up, stopped out. Not gonna surprise because they are literally shorting the lows here. You see, dirty game. No, it make no sense. No, no, no sense here. Okay, so uh, our the owners of the hedge are saying something. Okay, let's see. We got a request from the co-founders. Gold spot US dollar daily. Uh-huh. Okay, let's do this. Mm. Wow. I think it's too early to say anything about this, that it's bearish. This is your invalidation point, Adnan. If like on weekly, okay, this is an this is your invalidation point, okay, for gold. If this breaks down, then yes, your setup is valid. If this doesn't break down and find some good support above it, then the market structure on weekly is not bearish. So you can't say that it's going downside, okay? But if this breaks down, then the target is really nice. You can just target the break of structure point, because I think, in my opinion, there will be some bounce from here. So better to just take some profit here, okay? On weekly time, I'm just doing the high time frame analysis for these kind of precious metals, because um, you just can't do the lower time frame analysis on these things. It's really not a good thing to do lower time frame analysis on precious metals. Okay, deviation below this, accumulation, deviation, and might be reaccumulation, or just go down, make the inverse head and shoulder, and palms up. So probably this will be your entry point if this validation points breaks down. Okay, this will be your buying point. As per the global turmoil, the gold is not bearish. Keep this in mind. Okay, gold is not bearish in macro time frame. If you are thinking the gold is bearish, no way. One bad news from Russia or Ukraine or US, we're gonna make this gold stuff shoot like rocket. You know, we are really living in the uncertainty cycle right now. Global economics is really having a bad uh, overall. The bad things is happening. So one by one, China, Taiwan, India, POK, uh, the China and India also having some conflict on their territories. Uh, Russia, Ukraine, everything just kind of bears are fighting with each other right now. So in this kind of things after COVID, I don't think so. It's the right time to become really bearish on precious metals, because historically, whenever there is big uncertainty in the market, like COVID and the World War kind of situation, the precious metals act as a safe haven assets, and money moves the market. So they move their liquidity into these safe haven assets. So for time being, to save their, like, to hedge against their money, against their investments. So basically that's the best hedging asset for smart money. So as per the smart money concept, why I'm telling you this, because every time imbalance created on weekly always get filled. Okay, so on dollar or gold, sorry. Okay. You can say it's filled. Okay, no imbalance here. 2019. Okay, no imbalance. The liquidity, the smart money concept, the imbalance is basically, if you are wondering what the is imbalance, it's really smart money moves the market, man. Retailers never move the market. They don't have enough shit to move the market. Only smart money that moves the market. Okay, but that is from June 2019. Wow. Mm-hmm. Mm, okay, we have one left, but I'm not looking for these kind of things here, because it will be really a big target for the downside, in my opinion. Yeah, 2015, 14, the accumulation here has happened in these time zones. You see, so after the COVID in 2019 March, April, yeah, that was the time of COVID, and it just shoot up. Yeah. We are at the POC. I'll be back. Yeah, that was the valid harmonic. Mhm. Yes. 7.25%. 1 into 7. 1 8. 1 850. No, 1 830. Probably. Yeah, it's good. Stop loss. Uh, mhm, mhm, mhm. This is your validation point. Yeah. ये आपके levels हुए. This is your invalidation points and invalidation levels. Okay. Above it, bad. Below it, it's good for the target. Okay. The harmonic target. This harmonic target. Bearish Gartley. Uh, the displacement area is really nice. Uh, the displacement is happening here on the lower wick. Here. The displacement is already happening. Displacement. Price is going for the displacement. You know, The first target will be here. This is your second and this is your third. Let's remove this because first and second target is good and the third is here. But I would suggest you to just take the TP1 and TP2 and move on. Don't look for this TP3. If you are just trading with the high margin, if your margin is normal, average, then you can just put a stop loss and in profit zone if your entry is good, and you can just look for the 1680. Okay. Mm. This is daily weekly imbalance. Okay. Yeah, it's weekly imbalance. Yeah, it's weekly imbalance. Yeah, nice. Okay, you are done on here. Okay, now bouncing from the New York Open of Friday, taking the range high Friday of Asia. Uh-huh. So this is cool. This is nice. You can long here if you want. You can long here if you want. Now this is the area of interest now. On 30 minutes balance in the side. The XY is rejecting exactly from the area of interest. Okay, let's quickly talk about the Nifty. I forgot that. Nifty. Mm. Oh, sorry. On weekly. Yeah. Nifty. The market structure on Nifty is is looking really amazing right now. See here. Yes, the market structure is looking really nice. Resistance, resistance, resistance turned into support. First attempt and just give us some nice bounce from here of the market shift. 4% bounce in Nifty. Really nice, my Indian friends. Really nice. Okay. So for Nifty, this is really important area to be hold if it comes down after deviating above these uh, weekly relatively equal highs, let's say. So, relatively equal highs. Okay, we are deviating above it right now, deviating above this might just come down, and if this doesn't hold, then it's really concerning point if it doesn't hold this level. Okay, You can take a scalp shot. It's, yeah, having the, oh, nice. Mm, 34. For my Nifty audience, I really want to do this. यहाँ से इसने हाइज ले लिए। अब देखना ये है कि ये जो बाउंस इसने यहाँ से लिया है ना, दिस रेजिस्टेंस जोन, देख रहे हो, एक दो तीन, तीन बार इसने रिटेस्ट किया और यहाँ पे फ्लिप किया है उसको सपोर्ट में, और सपोर्ट के बाद इसने बड़ा ज़बरदस्त बाउंस दिया है, जो कि आपका बन रहा है ऑलमोस्ट 4% का। अगर आपने ट्रेड ली है तो विच इज़ गुड, नाउ यू कैन टेक प्रॉफिट। और अब इसको ये तोड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा है इसके ऊपर ना, रिलेटिवली इक्वल हाई इसके ऊपर। अगर ये इसको तोड़ने में कामयाब हो जाता है तो फिर आपका आराम से टारगेट बन रहा है पीओसी, समझ रहे हो? पीओसी का टारगेट आराम से अचीव हो जाएगा। 1.4% की ट्रेड ये हो जाएगी स्कैल्प की, और अगर चाह रहे हो तो नीचे भी आ सकता है, ठीक है? तो मैं ये कहूँगा कि अगर स्कैल्प ले रहे हो ना तो यहाँ से स्कैल्प लेके इसको फिनिश करो, और फिर इन वैलिडेशन देखना कि अगर ये पीओसी के नीचे चले जाता है तो फिर भाइयों के ये जो है ना फिर रेडी हो गया है कि करेक्शन के लिए, और करेक्शन इसकी जो है वो ये इनएफिशिएंसी पॉकेट है। गैप्स बहुत है, गैप इधर है, एक इधर है, समझ रहे हो? इधर हैं गैप्स। देख रहे हो ना ये किस तरह जब आता है तो फिर अपनी पे क्या करता है, निफ्टी। तो इस वक्त जो है ना बिल्कुल भी ये मत सोचना है कि ये जो है ना वो डिविएट कर रहा है और ये डबल टॉप बना रहा है। इस तरह की पैटर्न्स, चार्ट पैटर्न्स में नहीं जाना जब तक वो कंफर्म नहीं हो जाते। कंफर्म कैसे होंगे? कंफर्म ऐसे होंगे कि भाई डबल टॉप बनाया तो बेयरिश स्ट्रक्चर को भी तो फॉलो करो। अगर ये ब्रेक ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर करता है इस पॉइंट पे, इसको इसको तोड़ता है आके यहाँ से, इसको डेली को तोड़ता है यहाँ पे, लेट सपोज मैं आपको दिखाऊँ, इसको तोड़ता है, ठीक है? फिर उसके बाद दूसरा पॉइंट ये है, सबसे बड़ा पॉइंट ये है, इसको इसको नहीं तोड़ा ना तो फिर ये बुलिश है। इसको तोड़ेगा तो फिर आप कह सकते हो कि हाँ भाई अब ये डबल टॉप कंफर्म हो चुका, ठीक है? अब जो भी डेड कैट बाउंस आएगा, जैसे कि यहाँ से डेड कैट बाउंस आता है उसको हम ट्रेड कर लेंगे, कहाँ तक? यहाँ तक, नेक लाइन तक, ठीक है ना? नेक लाइन तक उसको ट्रेड कर लेंगे। ये स्विंग ट्रेडिंग है जानी, ये आप इस चक्कर में पड़ोगे ना तो बर्बाद हो जाओगे। छोटा छोटा खाओ, थोड़ा थोड़ा खाओ, रुक रुक के खाओ, ज़्यादा जबान चलाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बहुत मसला मसाइल हो जाते हैं ट्रेडिंग के अंदर, ठीक है ना? तो बस थोड़ा थोड़ा स्कैल्प लो, यहाँ से स्कैल्प ट्रेड लो इंट्राडे, उसके बाद देखेंगे वैलिडेशन होती है, अगर यहाँ से टूटता है तो फिर उसको देखते हैं। वो इसका यार वो भी था ना अपना ओपन इंटरेस्ट, वो मैं फिर आपको दूसरी वीडियो में बताऊंगा कि ओपन इंटरेस्ट क्या है इसका। अभी मैंने देखा नहीं है कि इसका ओपन इंटरेस्ट जो है वो क्या चक्कर है। ओपन इंटरेस्ट मतलब कि बायर्स डेल्टा क्या है ओपन इंटरेस्ट में, समझ रहे हो? क्यूमुलेटिव डेल्टा क्या आ रहा है इसका, कि आइदर जो है वो बेयर्स अटैक कर रहे हैं इस वक्त या बुल्स अटैक कर रहे हैं इस वक्त, ठीक है ना? वो देखना है कि ओपन पोजीशंस बेयरिश है, बुलिश है, मेजॉरिटी, वो चीज़ देखनी है। वो ओपन इंटरेस्ट में मैं देख के बताऊंगा। अभी तो मैं इसको बस रैप अप कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे। सिंपल ये है कि अगर आपने आज के सेशन में देखना है तो ये देखो, ये ट्रेंड लाइन बन रही है, यहाँ पे एक टच आ रहा है, ठीक है ना? ये दूसरा आपका अपना अच्छा टच आ गया। अब ये तीसरा टच अगर यहाँ आता है ना तो ये इनएफिशिएंसी को भी फिल कर देगा ये टच, और ये यहाँ पे आपका अपना ये वैलिडेट भी कर देगा इस ट्रेड को, पीओसी को तोड़ के, और ये अपना डेली लेवल को भी तोड़ देगा, ब्रेक ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर कर देगा, और फिर ये यहाँ पे आके इसको रिटेस्ट कर लेगा। जब ये इसको रिटेस्ट कर लेगा ना, यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट ले लेना भाईजान, अगर आपको ज़्यादा ही वो ग्रीडी हुए वो ना, और स्कैल्प नहीं कर रहे, स्विंग के चक्कर में हो, तो भाईजान अगर ये वैलिडेट हो जाता है ना तो इसको यहाँ पे आगे क्लोज कर देना, खुदा के वास्ते। क्योंकि अगर ये नहीं किया ना तो ये आपको ले जाएगा दोबारा ऊपर, या हो सकता है ये अपना रिलेटिवली इक्वल है इसको दोबारा रिटेस्ट करे लाइक दिस, समझ रहे हो? या उसके ऊपर भी डिविएट करके ऊपर चला जाए। तो अभी कुछ नहीं कह सकते, बस इसको यहाँ तक रखो। फिर जब डेवलपमेंट होगी मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर के हवाले से देखेंगे, अपना डेटा देखेंगे, क्या क्या डेटा क्या बोल रहा है मार्केट का। मार्केट मेच्योर हो जाएगी, डेटा और मिल जाएगा, प्राइस एक्शन मिल जाएगा, तो फिर उसको एनालाइज करने में मज़ा आएगा और इजी भी हो जाएगा। अभी अगर एनालाइज करोगे कि ऐसा वैसा ये वो विशफुल थिंकिंग है। समझ रहे हो, अभी जो डेटा मौजूद है ना, उस हिसाब से ये है कि ये देख लो 200 मूविंग एवरेज के ऊपर है। तो जब 200 मूविंग एवरेज के ऊपर है ना प्राइस, तो ये बुलिश है। इसको आप, मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा कि ये बेयरिश है। देख रहे हो 12% बहुत ज़्यादा दे दिया निफ्टी ने, ठीक है ना। तो इसके ऊपर है ना, तो फिर अभी बुलिश रहो मैक्रो में, और बेरिश रहो शॉर्ट टर्म में। शॉर्ट टर्म में स्कैल्प ले लो एक शॉर्ट टर्म की, ठीक है। बस ये अपना निफ्टी का चक्कर है। बाकी ये कि मैं आज की लाइव स्ट्रीम में से कोशिश करूँगा कि इसको मैं ना थोड़ा सा कट करके ना वीडियो में से एक सेपरेट सी वीडियो अपलोड कर दूँ निफ्टी के हवाले से, ठीक है, क्योंकि ये लॉन्ग हो गई है बहुत अपना स्ट्रीम। बाद में फिर इसको मैं करता हूँ एडिट करके ना, इसको एडिटिंग पे जब बैठूंगा तो फिर मैं इसको इसको देखता हूँ, ठीक है। ओके गाइस, that's all for today's session. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.